You look like your feelings towards Laing himself, like I say, you feel like you underappreciated, like them people get award and appreciate. Hey.
You see them award, I just show the people them how much them unappreciative. They not too appreciate nothing what people do for them. They not care. Them just feel like them is this and them is that. And them feel like them money is nothing. Me know say, no man can tell me nothing. And me make have money. Only have little bit of money, and me make have enough money. And with the rest of artists them, make money grow more. Me not have nothing against Sting. Would I like this thing go on? Would I like this thing turn out to be the type of show that it used to be? But me still would I like to see the respect we used to get when Sting just started to promote. When Sting was a show where artists used to race. Mr. Laing never have to put out no money. Nobody never find us Sting, we're ready to go. We need back that type of Sting there, that type of love there, that type of respect there, that type of look where people look towards artists. Now that's something yeah, where one man him have two little farm a country and him have one big house and him a promoter show. Yes, nobody. Because if you're dead, you're not going to move more than so, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
And you cannot disrespect people where if they head hurt them, it come from BBC and CNN. You understand? Feel you where sure you make $2 million. You is a promoter, you have nothing. We are the show. I mean not talk on my behalf alone, me talk on the behalf of and not only Sting. You understand? Because me feel this is a dancehall union where we have and it for there a long time. But the artists them, if you're this busy signal, we're not gonna show any promoter this busy signal, you can't call NinjaMan. You're this Bounty Killer, you can't call NinjaMan. You're this Capleton, you can't call NinjaMan. I'm gonna tell them something.
Fireman.
If them this gully back, you can't call NinjaMan because he's an artist. I mean I stand up for all artists right now.
Yeah.
You understand me? I mean I need none of no money, none of no promoter money I don't need. Because me go get everything we want out of music already, and that's why all me know have to support the music, help the younger generation them to be wise, and give my legacy to someone where to carry it on. You understand?
It's funny